happens if you give a mouse a cookie?
He will ask you for some milk.
Ah. You give a mouse a cookie, written by Laura Numeroff, illustrated by Felicia Barr. Give a mouse a cookie. See the little tiny mouse?
Yeah, he's putting his hands up.
He's going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk,
What will happen?
what will happen?
What?
Let's find out. He'll probably ask you for a straw. When he's finished, he'll ask you for a napkin. Why does he want a napkin? Pretty messy.
Yeah.
Then he'll want to look in a mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks in the mirror, he'll notice his hair needs a trim. So he'll probably ask for a pair of nail scissors.
That's a bad idea.
Why is that a bad idea?
Because can't you see?
Oh, look at all that hair. Does that look like Daddy?
Yeah.
When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep up every room in the house.
Do you see that?
What's so funny?
The room is going up.
He is really cleaning. Should he come to our house and clean?
No.
He may even end up washing the floors as well. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. You get really tired when you clean?
Yeah.
You're yawning right now. You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket, a tiny blanket and a tiny pillow. He'll crawl in, make himself comfortable, fluff up the pillow a few times, and he'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read to him from one of your favorite books.
Pampa.
Yeah, he does. Those are his jammies. And he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited he'll want to draw one of his own. He'll ask for paper and crayons. He'll draw a picture. What do you think he'll draw a picture of?
His family.
His family?
No, the green grass.
You think he might draw green grass? Let's see if you're right. You're both right. What do you see in that picture?
Family and green grass. What are those puffballs?
Those are like dandelion puffs. There's his mom and dad. And there's him, his brother and sister. He'll want to sign his name with a pen. Then he'll want to hang the picture up on your refrigerator, which means he'll need, what do you need to hang a picture up on the refrigerator?
Tape.
Some tape. Some Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that he's so thirsty. So,
you do this.
okay. He's doing that. Why is he holding his throat? Because he's thirsty. So if he's really thirsty, what do you think he's going to want to drink?
Milk.
So he'll ask for a glass of milk.
Why is he jumping up?
And why do you think he's jumping up?
Is he telling him?
Yeah, he's telling him.
Maybe he's jumping up because he wants, he likes the cookies.
Yeah. And chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk,
It's just weird.
he's going to want a cookie to go with it. Now I have a question. Do you think he needed any of those things?
No. No.
Did he need a glass of milk?
Yeah.
Did he need a cookie?
Yeah.
So they say yeah.
Did he need a cookie? No.
Did he
nothing.
need to draw a picture?
Yeah.
But did he want it? Did he want those things?
Yeah.
Yep, he wanted those things.
Let's play this game with our finger.
And I'm going to give you a big kiss goodnight.
Mom, what